How to download and install Battle Prime. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this app. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, tap on the search icon. Here on the top at the search bar, search for Battle Prime. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Now, here on the bottom, tap on install. So the installation process has begun. What is Battle Prime? So this is a battleground game. Here you can play multiplayers and with other friends. So this is a game similar to PUBG and Free Fire. So the people who love gun and gun games will love it. So after installing it, you can start playing. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.